very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Europe's security dilemma, confusion or a staring reality. Ladies and gentlemen, Europe stands at a crossroads, grappling with an evolving security landscape shaped by historical precedents, geopolitical shifts, and contemporary threats. The continent, which has witnessed two world wars, the Cold War, and the dissolution of the Soviet Union, now faces renewed security concerns amid rising tensions with Russia and other evolving uncertainties. The question remains, is Europe's security approach marked by confusion, or is it finally confronting an undeniable reality? The geopolitical vulnerabilities of Europe have long been a defining feature of its security concerns. The scars of World War I and II reshaped global power structures, reinforcing the importance of collective security. The United States, emerging as a key player, played a decisive role in both conflicts and later in rebuilding Europe under the Marshall Plan. The post-World War II order led to the creation of NATO in 1949, establishing a transatlantic military alliance aimed at countering Soviet influence. With the Soviet Union's collapse in 1991, Europe witnessed an unprecedented shift. The dissolution of the Eastern Bloc, the emergence of newly independent states, and the birth of the European Union in 1993 heralded an era of economic and political integration. However, the security framework remained heavily reliant on NATO. The UK's exit from the EU in 2020 further complicated European unity in security matters. The socio-economic landscape of Europe adds another layer to its security dilemma. Aging population, economic disparities, large-scale migration from Africa and through Turkey, and energy dependencies have left many nations vulnerable. Turkey's geopolitical positioning and influence in this area have also been behind Europe's strategic considerations. NATO's eastward expansion, while seen as a defensive measure, has fueled Russian concerns, culminating in the occupation of Crimea in 2014. The subsequent Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022 further altered Europe's security calculus. Additionally, Russia has been playing a strategic role in attempting to re-establish Soviet-era influence, weakening Europe by fostering dissent. Europe's dependence on Russian energy exports has been a critical factor in shaping its response. While imposing sanctions and backing Ukraine with financial and military aid, the EU faced economic disruptions, forcing a recalibration of its energy policies. The Biden administration reinforced US support for NATO and Ukraine, providing Europe with a sense of stability. However, Donald Trump's return as the 47th US President has dramatically altered the situation. His first term complicated relations with NATO and the EU, and his direct messaging to Europe, the UK and Ukraine now has disrupted previous security assumptions. His stance has emboldened Russia, which sees an opportunity to emerge from the economic and military strain caused by 3 years of war in Ukraine and growing domestic unrest. Trump's stated desire to negotiate peace in Ukraine by offering Russia an exit strategy has raised deep skepticism within Europe. Meanwhile, China's increasing tilt towards Russia and the influence of Iran and North Korea in the European theater further complicate security concerns. Europe had long focused on social welfare spending and appeasement policies rather than defense investments, assuming stability under the NATO umbrella. The Ukraine war served as a wake-up call, and while Europe found comfort in Biden's administration, Trump's renewed priorities and blunt stance have rattled the continent, while Russia sees an opportunity to regain lost strategic ground. What's the way forward? Europe must adopt a pragmatic security strategy that balances deterrence with diplomatic engagement. The following steps could be necessary. 1. Raise the level of transatlantic diplomatic engagement so as to keep the common democratic values intact and vibrant, besides strengthening the time-tested natural alliance. Second, preserve and strengthen NATO while ensuring the alliance remains on stable footing with the US. Third, increase defense spending and develop a European military force independent of NATO, modeled as a parallel defense mechanism. Fifth, work toward a sustainable peace in Ukraine while integrating Ukraine into the EU and eventually into a European defense framework. Sixth, improve relations with Russia alongside the US to prevent prolonged geopolitical instability. And lastly, 7. Evolve a comprehensive European vision for implementation, considering internal nation-wide dynamics and their needs, geopolitical and trade considerations, energy and defense security, technological progression, so as to maintain economic leadership and political influence on the world scene. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the evolving European security landscape demands a decisive, coherent approach. Establishing a common ground with the United States through urgent and focused engagement is imperative. An immediate transatlantic summit is necessary to align strategies, ensuring that NATO remains intact, European defense capabilities are strengthened, and a collective approach towards Ukraine and Russia gets formulated. The importance of maintaining the transatlantic alliance, securing NATO's future, pursuing a realistic resolution in Ukraine, and normalizing relations with Russia cannot be overstated. Europe must rise to the occasion by embracing strategic depth, fostering unity, and proving its resilience in these turbulent times. If managed wisely, the current upheaval can lead to stronger partnerships, a fortified security posture, and a more influential Europe in global affairs. The challenge for statesmen and leaders now is to transform uncertainty into opportunity, setting a course that benefits all involved while preserving stability for the future. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.